In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best Vitamix blenders. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best Vitamix blenders. Number 5, Vitamix E310 Explorian. Affordable, compact, and full of power. The Vitamix E310 Explorian is a fantastic choice for anyone just getting into high-performance blending. Its 48-ounce container is the perfect size for smaller households or individual portions, and its 10 variable speeds let you tackle everything from silky smoothies to chunky salsas with total control. Powered by a robust 1,340-watt motor, this blender is more than capable of crushing ice, grinding nuts, and blending tough veggies. Made with BPA-free Triton plastic and featuring a radial cooling fan and thermal protection system, the E310 is designed with both safety and durability in mind. It's an excellent introduction to the Vitamix family without compromising on quality or performance. Whether you're whipping up breakfast smoothies, homemade sauces, or hearty soups, the Explorian makes blending fun, fast, and easy, all at a great value. Number 4, Vitamix 5200. The Vitamix 5200 is a classic for a reason. It's built for serious blending with the kind of reliability that lasts for years. Its 64-ounce container is designed to handle everything from smoothies to soups in generous batches, making it great for families or meal preppers. The variable speed control gives you total control over texture, and you can adjust it mid-blend to get exactly what you want. It also features a radial cooling fan and thermal protection system to keep things running smoothly. What's really impressive is that the 5200 doesn't just blend cold ingredients, it can actually heat up soups through blade friction alone. That means you can toss in raw veggies and have a steaming hot soup in about 6 minutes. And when you're done, a quick self-clean cycle gets it ready for your next recipe. With durable stainless steel blades and a 7-year full warranty, this blender is a long-term kitchen hero. Number 3, Vitamix A3500. Sleek, smart, and stunningly powerful, the Vitamix A3500 brings advanced technology to your countertop. This premium blender comes with 5 program settings that handle smoothies, hot soups, dips, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning, all at the touch of a button. The compact 48-ounce container is perfect for daily use, while the brushed stainless finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen setup. With its intuitive touchscreen interface, it's easy to use and just as easy to clean. One of the standout features is its built-in wireless connectivity. The A3500 automatically adjusts its blending settings based on the container size, so you always get consistent results. You can also fine-tune your recipes manually with the variable speed control and pulse function. If you want a high-end blender that thinks for you and delivers perfect textures every time, the A3500 is the smart upgrade you didn't know you needed. Number 2, Vitamix Ascent X5. If you're looking for smart, customizable blending with serious versatility, the Vitamix Ascent X5 is a game changer. With 10 preset programs and a digital timer, this blender gives you precision and convenience like never before. Its 48-ounce container is ideal for small to medium batches, and with the self-cleaning feature, you're never stuck scrubbing. Plus, it comes with a 10-year full warranty, a real testament to its quality and durability. But it doesn't stop there. The X5 includes handy features like a tamper holder, on-screen tamper indicator, and even a 15-second add-on button to make sure your blend is just right. It's also compatible with self-detect containers, allowing you to expand your system with different sizes and functions. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, nut butters, or soups, the Ascent X5 helps you do it all with style, power, and precision. Number 1, Vitamix Professional Series 750. Looking for a blender that makes smoothies, soups, and even frozen desserts with ease? The Vitamix Professional Series 750 is a powerhouse that delivers pro-level performance right in your kitchen. With 5 pre-programmed settings, it takes the guesswork out of blending. Just press a button and walk away. The 64-ounce low-profile container fits perfectly under most kitchen cabinets, making it ideal for family meals or weekend entertaining. And thanks to the 6-foot cord and sturdy build, This blender gives you flexibility and durability that lasts. What really sets it apart is its variable speed control and pulse feature, letting you get the perfect texture every time. From silky purees to chunky salsas, you're in full control. The aircraft-grade stainless steel blades effortlessly tackle tough ingredients like nuts and frozen fruit. And cleanup? Just a drop of soap and some warm water. It cleans itself in under a minute. With its sleek design and consistent results, the 750 is the gold standard in professional-grade blenders. And there you have it, the top 5 best Vitamix blenders that bring power, precision, and performance to your kitchen. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.